Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So we've got two different ways to check those numbers, this number basically. Firstly, I'll show you the fastest way to do that by using a secret code, and after that I'll show you a second way which will be also useful in a way. So let's start with a code. We have to open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided not only with the serial number here, but also email numbers. Whatever, the serial number will appear at the bottom of this pop-out window. Let's tap on OK, and as I said, let me show you another way to check this number. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work, or you will forget how you should type it in. So let's enter the settings, tap on the About phone. Here we have to tap on Detailed Info and Specs, then scroll down to the very bottom and tap on the Status, and here we have to find the model. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.